Hi all, Sandy here. Today I want to answer the question I got about how I wash this Le Pliage Energy extra small in the Hawthorn color. My bag has been going through it. I'm not even sure what this stain is, but this is my everyday bag, and I'm also dealing with a toddler who likes to throw my bag around, pull on the zipper. As you can tell, the Longchamp logo is not lining up anymore. Not sure how to fix that, but it is still working perfectly, so that is all good. Anyway, the material of this bag is a little bit thicker than the original Le Pliage, so I just like to throw it in the washing machine. A short program, low temperature, in this case 20 degrees, 15 minutes, no detergent. But if the bag is really stained, then I use a little bit of detergent and maybe on 30 degrees Celsius. Don't be like me though. Put your bag in a pillowcase or with some other things you need to wash, because otherwise you will just hear the hardware scratching against the washing machine, and that's just annoying. It didn't get damaged, but just don't be like me. Then I just let the air dry with the handles up. On the Longchamp website, it says dry with the handles down. I'm not sure why, because I want my handles to be up. Anyway, this is the result. And it is such an easy bag to maintain. I love it so much. I hope this helps. And if you have any other tips and tricks to share with us, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time.